So in this video we are going to look at practical task 0.5 here in the new IGCSE Marine textbook, and 0.5 looked at healing and cooling of water. In this example we're only going to look at cooling, and the idea is we make a mixture of water, ice and salt, which will have a low temperature below 0 degrees, and we add a test tube with pure water, and we keep measuring the temperature until ice crystals start forming, and then for 5 more minutes, and then we plot them in a curve. This will give the students a chance to see how degrees of temperature goes and see the phase shift and everything. So what follows is how my class did the experiment.
Exactly.
Just leave it for like 2 minutes.
Alright, so here we have our test tube with pure water, and we have a thermometer, and here we have our mix of ice and salt. So now we're going to lower our test tube into it, and then we're going to record the temperature every minute. I think you need to go further in, all the way in, as far as you can. There's no space for it.
Wait, how do you write the groups?
We got time on the first one, and then you have temperature on the second one. So starting temperature is about 20 degrees Celsius, and then we want to stick it into the mixture of ice, and as far as you can.
I wrote 21 degrees.
Further down into the cooling stuff. Yeah. Like that. Here we are after about 10 minutes. We see we now at 0. Sorry? 15 minutes. So we're now approaching the 0 here. Interesting to see is what's happening to the water. If ice crystal will start forming. It's very, very exciting. So here you are at the end of the experiment. The temperature has been around 0 for a long time, and now it's started to drop again. So we're starting to see the phase shift.
So the data from the groups ended up looking something like this, where we first saw a fast decrease in temperature, and then as we get closer to 0, a slower decrease, and then we had, when we were at the freezing point for a while, we didn't really see any change for some time, and it just stayed there around 0 for a while. In some of the other ones, stayed a little lower for a little while, and then we saw a drop as ice started to form.